Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the vlog. Today, I want to introduce my Hunter Retro table fan. Here's the front. You see the Hunter logo. There's a speed control. And there is the isolation knob. And that's the back. Now, I'm going to put this in stationary mode, which is now. We're going to do the paper test. This is high. Oh my, it's high. It's really pressure, 3 powerful speeds. See, that's moving the paper. It's very powerful. It's almost bending the paper in half. Now I'm going to gauge the isolator. It's a little sticking a little bit, guys. Now watch it spin down. Thanks, everybody.